Hello Seahawks! Welcome to Los Angeles Harbor College. In this video, we will demonstrate how to register for courses. To begin, you will need to log into your student portal from the LAHC website, commonly referred to as the SIS portal. To locate this on the website, you'll click on the Login drop-down menu, click on SIS portal, which will prompt you to log in and bring you to your home page. From here, you'll click on the Manage Classes Add/Drop tile, and then you'll click on Class, Search, and Enroll on the left side of the menu. Be sure to click on the appropriate term you intend to enroll in. For this example, Spring 2025 will be selected. On this page, you will search for the classes a counselor advised you to take either by searching for the course name and number or the specific 5-digit code associated with the course, known as the class number. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will search using the course name and number. In the search box, type in the course exactly as it appears in the class schedule. For example, Film Appreciation is listed as HUMAN space 017. Then you'll click Enter. This next page will show you the options that you searched for. Click on the box, and then you will see a list of sections available for that specific class searched. Before making a selection, you will want to pay particular attention to the status, days and times, modality, and seats available. Not to worry, this will be explored in more detail in a separate video. Once you have made your selection, click within the course box to proceed. You will then see a page confirming your selection. To continue with enrolling, select Next at the top right-hand corner. The next page will ask if you wish to enroll in the course. Ensure the Enroll option is selected, and then select Accept in the green box. On the final page, you will see your selection displayed one more time before officially enrolling. Click Submit to enroll into the course. If you receive a green check mark, this means you have successfully enrolled into the course. If you receive a red X mark, this means additional steps are required in order to enroll. Visit a general counselor during drop-in to clarify how to remove the hold. Thank you for watching.